Guys, welcome to Tech Skills by Johnson Calvin. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. You're welcome to this video episode. Today I'm going to show you how to change your ATM card pin from your Polaris mobile app. So right away, without taking much of your time, I'm going to take you direct to the option list where you're going to take the step on how to change your ATM card mobile pin. Please be sure of the pin you are changing it to and don't forget the pin. I'm teaching you this for educational purposes, so please do not use it on anyone's account even if you know their password. So right away, on how to change your ATM card pin on your Polaris mobile app, first of all, go to the sidebar, drag it to the right hand side and click security. Now you can see change password. Change password is for the mobile app. The login password for your mobile app, you can change it from change password. Change pin is for your ATM card pin, which you can change it right from here. Now change your ATM card pin. Put the pin you've been using, the old pin you have that you are using right here. Then add the new pin twice right here. So guys, this is just how to change your ATM card pin. After placing the pin, you can click on change. Please, after doing this, you can go log out and log in again to try and confirm if you've changed it successfully and you know the code, or try doing any other transactions. So guys, please, this is all for this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to support my channel. I'll really be grateful and happy for you doing that. You're welcome to Tech Skills by Johnson Calvin, and I'm really happy. Thank you once more. I really appreciate for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm really happy. Thank you guys and take care. Goodbye. Subscribe and see you tomorrow on the next video episode. Thank you.